Katal Kajar Edisini Kunai City Niakaiba Session Otal Juntali 24 by 25 Salmanibagi Motivation in the car. Motivational Kabama business pane about main building Niakaiba Edisini administrative building is a agenda pane or a Kabama Edisi Hapami development ni Shikala Zubogoni Hamkrai Kabama rules of pane about the cow business mayako about Katau Pilla or Katal Kai Kiprasado Faro Asha Borsa Kai Rohomani motivation Munai Kakayo motivation Edisi Antony Kiprasa Bongsorni Kahamni Babino Katal Onek agenda issue in business of Pinay. Ahanuna dinner to Semano Hastevo Kipramota Gubagrani leadership by organization movement Gay Shunuti Kipramota Santadaka Jumbo Ayan Pitinibu Sulaye Kipramota Amli Kipramota Amla Shini Shidanta Krajaka Chini agenda Obono Tomai Hastini Kiprasan agenda Obono Greater Tipralano achievement Hayani Tatum Tomai Tai Edishi procession Yakti Chini Edishi Antony Jotto Beramni Kiprasa Borano Buntike Bumi Mantai Shokai Bumi Yapau to Nimanai, Abasum Tatum Tomai, Abonachini agenda.